If you drive one of these cars, you could be paying $1,000 to $2,000 more per year in insurance than you should. And the crazy part? These aren't Lamborghinis. They're normal SUVs, normal sedans, normal pickup trucks. But insurance companies treat some of them like luxury cars. And number one, that one regularly pushes $4,000 a year in certain states. Let's talk about it. According to 2024 national insurance rate studies from Bankrate, Insurify, and LendingTree, full coverage premiums increase sharply, but not evenly. Insurance companies price risk using 5 main factors: theft frequency, repair cost severity, claim frequency, injury payouts, vehicle value. If a model scores high in even 2 of those, premiums jump. Now let's count them down. Number 15, Nissan Altima. Altima jokes exist for a reason. HLDI loss tables consistently show mid-size sedans like the Altima ranking above average in collision and bodily injury claim frequency. National full coverage quotes typically range $2,400 to $3,000 per year. Not because it's exotic, because insurers have data. Insurance lesson: when a model crashes more often, everyone pays more.
Number 14, Honda Civic. You'd think Civic equals cheap insurance. Not always, because high-volume vehicles create high-volume claims. National full coverage averages $2,200 to $2,900 annually. Add theft exposure in certain cities and premiums rise. Common doesn't mean cheap. Number 13, Jeep Wrangler. Convertible trims, off-road claims, higher rollover risk in some datasets. Full coverage often ranges $2,500 to $3,200 per year. Fun lifestyle vehicle, lifestyle pricing. Number 12, Kia Optima. Older, vulnerable years. After the Kia and Hyundai theft surge, certain model years became high risk in insurer databases. NICB theft summaries showed massive spikes during 2024 to 2025. Full coverage quotes commonly $2,500 to $3,100. One missing immobilizer changed the game. Number 11, Hyundai Sonata. Sonata appeared repeatedly in 2024 theft reports. Premium increases in high theft zip codes reach 15 to 25% above segment average. Full coverage averages $2,600 to $3,200. Insurers price patterns, not brand loyalty. Number 10, Hyundai Elantra. In 2024, Elantra ranked among the most stolen vehicles nationwide. Some cities reported premiums running 20 to 30% higher than similar compact sedans. Typical full coverage runs between $2,700 and $3,400 per year. Theft is a silent tax. Number 9, Dodge Charger Performance Trims. Here's where it gets wild. HLDI reported certain Charger Hellcat trims had theft claim frequencies 60 times the average vehicle. Full coverage often lands between $3,000 and $4,500 annually. High horsepower, high theft, high premium. Number 8, Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Pickups consistently appear near the top of theft charts. Full coverage averages between $2,400 and $3,200. LED headlight assemblies alone can cost $1,500 plus each. Work truck, luxury repair bill. Number 7, Ford F-150. Since aluminum body construction became standard, collision repair required specialized procedures. Full coverage averages between $2,300 and $3,100. Advanced materials reduce weight, not repair costs. Number 6, GMC Yukon. Large SUV, heavy mass, expensive components. Insurance studies show full coverage typically $2,800 to $3,500 per year. Property damage liability exposure plays a role. Physics matters. Number 5, Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. Hybrid powertrain plus high vehicle value. Bankrate-style datasets show averages often $2,900 to $3,600 annually. Reliable brand, expensive ecosystem. Number 4, Kia Telluride. Tech-packed bumpers, radar, 360 cameras. ADAS recalibration after a minor crash can add $800 to $2,000.
full coverage averages $2,600 to $3,300. Modern SUV equals rolling sensor network. Number 3. Hyundai Palisade. Top trims especially. More electronics equals more repair severity. Full coverage often $2,700 to $3,400. Trim level matters more than badge. Number 2. Tesla Model 3. Multiple 2024 rate studies show national averages between $3,000 and $3,800 per year. Moderate collision repairs can exceed $10,000. Limited certified repair centers, high parts cost, higher total loss frequency, safe car, expensive to fix. Number 1. Tesla Model Y. Frequently ranked among the most expensive mainstream vehicles to insure. National full coverage ranges $3,200 to $4,200 per year. In high-cost states, even higher. High volume, high claim severity, high repair cost. That's the perfect storm. Before you panic, let me let you know how to reduce your premium. Shop quotes every renewal, increase deductible if financially safe, install anti-theft devices, bundle policies, ask about telematics, check insurance before buying your next car. Insurance pricing is model specific. Now you know why. Your car might look normal, but your insurance bill might be living a luxurious lifestyle. Comment your car and state. Let's see what's driving your premium. Subscribe to CXMOTO because real car ownership costs more than just the sticker price.